Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell for those of you that are new to the page. We are Stock Up with Larry Jones, still fighting for my voice. Just wanted to come on briefly on today's video. I just really, I just wanted to warn you guys about what is to come and just for you guys to be prepared. So I wasn't putting out a lot of content here in this week because I wanted you guys to see the last couple of videos that I made. Just talking about where the market is, right? And sometimes we just have to pump our brakes and see where the overall market is. And the overall market is saying caution right now. And I know a lot of you guys are into some heavy plays, but I just want you guys to keep your earnings, to keep your profits. And so that's why I just kind of pulled back a little bit because I want you guys to see the prior two videos. So make sure you watch my video from yesterday and the day before, okay? Because it talks about, we just want to look at where the market is, okay? I see your family. Hey, I see you guys. Yep. I'll come to you in a minute. I'm not going to make this one long. We're just going to talk about where the market is. I want you guys to just be prepared, okay? Just be prepared. All right, so here's some of the things that we got going on right now. S&P falls slightly as investors. This was about 30 minutes ago. Await inflation report, okay? Inflation report. What is that inflation report? It is CPI, Consumer Price Index. It will be tomorrow morning. Generally, it is an hour before the market opens. So that just goes to whatever time zone you're in. All right, here in Chicagoland area, that's usually 7:30. New York, that's usually 8:30, an hour before the opening bell. All right, and so it could come in. So it could come in not good. Okay, and if it comes in high, showing that inflation is continually rising, then the stock market will not do well, especially since we've been downgraded. And now we're talking about a downgrade on the banks. Make sure you look at yesterday's video. I'll try to leave it here in the box to your right, but just look at my yesterday's video because the credit rating of the banks are now in jeopardy of being downgraded, which affects your stock and my stock too. So let's go right to it. Let's see what's going on. As we can see, the Dow did a straight roller coaster ride. Look at that, whee, down and came right back up. And as we can see now, we're pretty much flat, right? And so this is what happened today. This is why the market has, this kind of been happening every day this week, okay? And I was trying to prepare you guys with the earlier videos, so I didn't want to make a lot of videos because I wanted people to see it. Of course, since I'm not talking about a hot play, a lot of people didn't watch it. But if you watch the video, it's going to help you guys not make more mistakes, not get into a lot of risky plays because no one knows for sure how the consumer price numbers are going to come. I just want you guys to be prepared. We ain't scared. We prepared. All right. So I wanted to show you that. Then here's some of the top news stories that are going on today. Sorry I didn't have a video up, but you got Penn going up. So you got Disney earnings. I believe Disney is tonight, and Disney through another investment is doing a partnership with Penn. And Penn is going up based on that news, right? I just saw it. I'm sorry. There we go. Penn is going up based on that news. And so you could have entered into a play on this earlier. It ran up, but it's kind of late today. Like I said, I'm kind of chilling. And I shared with you guys on yesterday's video that I just entered into a single contract on Palantir, and I got a single contract on Apple. I'll share that, guys, with you guys. Here's, you know what? Let's see what's going on, right? When you're in a Google Finance, you can go right down and see the top story. See here? Look at here. Let's see what's going on with Penn, right? ESPN, Penn Entertainment, strikes a $2 billion sports betting deal, okay? You could see that, all right? Who's involved in that? Disney is involved in it. Here's the entire story, all right? Tuesday, Operation Brand Sports, so-called worldwide lead in sports, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da. As you know, these sports betting teams have not been doing well, right? The sports betting stock, they have these little pops. Of course, it's based on the laws, state by state. Are they going to make sports betting legal or not? Then it's just like the weed companies, right? Is it going to be legal in most states? And they kind of trade sideways for a little while. But right after the initial announcement, these stocks or these plays, should I say, they have movement, all right? So I want you guys to check that out. It talks about the whole idea, the whole story, all right? And then you can see Disney is a part of this, and Disney will be reporting at closing bell. Meanwhile, ESPN, parent company, which is Disney, I want you guys to know that Disney owns ESPN, is scheduled to report earnings after closing bell today, all right? So just know that this deal will be between ESPN and, okay, and Disney owns ESPN. And so that's why Penn Entertainment is going up. All right. Wow. That's a tongue twister. So as we could see, Penn, which is ESPN Entertainment, is up. It was up higher than it was even now. It was up over 10% today. So now we can see where it is right now. What else I got for you guys? So now the White House, as we speak, is trying to restrict some investments in China. Okay, now that may have a temporary negative, a very temporary negative downward push on the Chinese ADRs, such as Alibaba and those type of deal. But it might just be a buying opportunity. These type of deals have happened numerous times, time and time again, and it's a temporary pullback. Look at this. So Alibaba, here's when the news came, temporary pullback, right? And then what happens after that? Then it starts to climb back up. So that might be a buying opportunity for Alibaba, okay? And so, you know, if you're going to do an option, you might want to look at a week out. And this may have some downward pressure. So you could do a put. And, you know, you could do a put short term, and then you could do a call longer term, meaning you're betting that it's going to go down short term, and then you're betting that it's going to go up long term. But right now it's showing upward movement, like it's absorbed this information and it's starting to come back right now. So I wouldn't be keen on doing any puts on Alibaba right now. That's just me. Okay. And I also want to show you guys why we are talking. Look, make sure you download Moomoo today. Get your 16 free stock, deposit at least $100. You guys know how this go. 5 free stock. Each of these stocks are worth up to thousands of dollars. And then you get a $50 cash reward. And then stock up you. Learn more about the stock market so you can make more money every day. You got all of us here, and we're not finished with all of the classes. Though there's hours and hours of information, we are not through teaching. There will be more, okay? Charting, beginning options, understanding options, and then basic fundamentals on the stock market. Don't be cheap. Invest in yourself and make money. All right. Where are we time-wise? 9 minutes. All right. So let me share one more thing with you guys, and I'm going to answer one question, and then I'm going to get off because it's almost closing bell. So remember on yesterday's video, for those of you that watched it, I know a lot of people didn't. Remember, I said I bought one contract, Palantir. I did a put, right? I wished I'd have bought more because look at what happened. It went up 123%. I would have loaded the boat had I known it was going to go up 123%. Just think, had I put 10 G's in there, just think, had I bought 20 contracts, 30, 40 contracts, I would have been up. And then look at, and then I got one on Apple. It's not doing much, but that Palantir is the one. Now, another thing I did, you guys know that every Friday I'm buying 3 ticker symbols, okay? You guys know that I'm buying 3 EFTs. Now on ARK, ARKK, it has went down today more. It's went down by 2%. ARK has, okay? And so what I did with ARK is, since it's down by 2%, I actually bought. I actually put another $1,000 in it. Okay. And so lastly, that's what I'm going to leave with you guys. I put another $1,000 into ARK because I see a buying opportunity. And so now if the market starts to cool off even more, I'm buying more long positions, not options, just long positions. And I'm going to continue to add there. So anybody that's taking the $5 a day challenge, just know if you see long-term buying opportunities in some of your plays, then just load up and continue to dollar cost average. Okay. If you're taking the Larry Jones $5 a day challenge and you see that one is coming down and you think Tesla's where you could be really buying, loading up, then load up in your DCA. Okay. That is absolutely cool. That's what I'm going to be doing. And you can do it if you please. Okay. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I wanted to kill this one at 12. It's 12:04. I'm going to take one question. Hey, what's up? What's up, fam? How you guys doing? I'm sorry. I'm still fighting from my voice. Hey, LJ. That's what they used to call me, LJ. All right, let me take one. Hey, good afternoon, good people. Hey. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You know what? I haven't been doing morning bell videos. I haven't. It's been a lot going on. Let's just say that I'll leave it right there. It's been a lot going on. I haven't been doing them this week, but just be on the lookout. APLD, I haven't looked at it yet, and I'm not going to go into it on this one, but we'll keep an eye on it. Okay. In Tesla calls currently, there could be, right? It could be. He said, I don't trust Kathy Woods anymore. She cray. Okay. The Tesla, I've entered into Tesla options probably a good 40 times. No kidding. You guys seen a lot of them. I just haven't been looking at it. It's been cooling off. I want the CPI data to be over. And that's what I want, because anything could turn on a dime right now. And we've made a lot of money, good people. So let's not take our good earnings and put it at bad risk. Okay. And so, there could be a play. I just haven't been looking at it to answer your question. I'm sorry. But sometimes, like I said, sometimes like the song, Aaron, whatever his name is, let's chill. All right. And but that doesn't mean you have to chill. Remember, you have to make your own decision. Me personally, I just been kind of chilling a little bit because I don't want to be giving all my winnings back by just feeling like we got to trade every single day, every single opportunity. That is not true. The day you don't put your money at risk, especially when you don't have a short-term play, is the day that you're gambling. Okay. And we're not gambling. Okay. We ain't gambling. Right. We're investing and we're trading. All right. Good people. Hey, tomorrow, let's see what the CPI is going to do. I may go live with it, but I don't know. All right. I may be live with the CPI, but you guys know they've been blocking us. So I'm going to try that. All right. I love you guys. Make sure you share this page. Make sure everybody hits the like button. OK. And make sure you check out the links below. Live, love, laugh, and learn.